is Financial Literacy Month, and while you're thinking about your finances, there's one big expense you don't want to overlook: healthcare. Joining us now to share some tips and strategies to help you save from United Healthcare is Dr. Rhonda Randall. Doctor, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Do you have any tips to help people navigating rising healthcare costs?
Yeah, we see that 11% of adults avoided healthcare costs in the previous year, according to America's Health Rankings. And more people are seeking transparency and understanding costs up front when it comes to making healthcare decisions. Fortunately, there's more tools available like transparency finders from your health plan and new modern health plans available like Surest from United Healthcare that eliminates deductibles and shows you upfront in an app a shopping experience displaying copays for the providers who has historically given high quality care at more cost effective rates. So people who've been enrolled in Surest are saving 50% out of pocket expenses compared to traditional plans.
That sounds like a lot of money. That's a pretty big expense. Okay, so how can people take advantage of financial incentives in their health plans?
It's important to see what might be available to you. So talk to your employer. You might be able to earn rewards for things like wellness and doing your preventative care. For example, people who live with type 2 diabetes, when they're enrolled in a United Healthcare level 2 diabetes plan, are using wearable technology to look at how much activity they're getting, like a smartwatch, and sometimes a continuous glucose monitor, and pairing that with a coach to improve their health, decrease their out of pocket costs, get their blood sugar under control.
So, doctor, beyond medical visits, are there additional benefits that people should be taking advantage of?
A couple I always tell people to look for are things like dental, vision, and hearing. These can save you a significant amount of out of pocket costs. So many dental plans are going to cover things like preventative care and cleanings and oral cancer screenings. You can also talk to your employer about programs that might help you save money for doing some of those healthy activities. At United Healthcare, we offer a program called Care Cash, where you can get a pre-loaded debit card that can help be used to pay for some of your medical expenses, like those primary care visits and other health care.
Wow, that's really interesting. That sounds very cool. I like that idea. So, okay, let me ask you, why is preventative care so important when it comes to saving money on healthcare?
Well, as a primary care physician, I always remind people about the importance of preventative care. Getting those screenings early can help you catch something while it's more easy to treat. So many of your insurers are going to offer your preventative care at zero cost to you. So there's not a financial barrier for most preventative care. So if you haven't had a checkup with your primary care physician in a while, it's time to make that phone call.
I could not agree more, and my wife also agrees as well. I'm telling you, she is on me. I now go to all the things that I'm supposed to, so I'm very appreciative that she loves me so very much, and I want you guys to go out there and do the same. So, doctor, before I let you go, where do we go for more information?
You can get more information on our newsroom at uhc.com.
Doctor, thank you so very much for your time this morning. It's been a great conversation. And guys at home, if you want to watch this segment again, head to First Coast News Plus.